Community that you solve the main challenges to the manageable parts, get your this final what is your ultimate aim. And this computational thinking as well as this AI is very supportive in the official curricula in the CBSE program. And now I expect, I don't know that what is your impression, after adoption this computational thinking along with the artificial intelligence, the perception of your students will be entirely changed. They will be shifting to passive learner to active creator or the active learner. Once you adopt this computational thinking along with AI in this CBSE course curricula, this is one of the expectations I feel. There are so many benefits also explained by our previous speaker of this computational thinking, that if you adopt this, you will be a better or the efficient problem solver by adopting this computational thinking. Similarly, the logical reasoning will be very strong. As they have given you a number of examples and asked you the questions, the answers from your side. So this computational thinking will definitely beneficial to all of you, and not only you, once you just guide your students, they will be highly strong in the reasoning skills, which are very important nowadays. Future readiness, already they have shared with you that they will definitely build a core foundation, which basically you have to need it in the advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and coding. Okay? Life skills really also teaches the clear thinking and smart decisions making that were outside the computer lab. So these are all things you note down on your copy, that what is the objective of this workshop, what is the basic, the element we have about this artificial intelligence, what is the basic beneficiary of this, computer thinking, all these things you can just see. Now you come to this slide. This computational thinking and artificial intelligence naturally. Why this computational thinking matters? Why this computational thinking and AI is integrated with each other? As in morning, we have a lot of discussions about it. That already you know that it is nothing but simply kind of a structured way of solving problems by breaking them into small parts. And next one is what the artificial intelligence will do. This basically help you and this will enable you, or ultimately to your machine, like computers, to basically perform the task in a very efficient manner. So that you can just see the computational thinking along with the artificial intelligence, and finally what is the connection? That your computational thinking basically provides the problem solving foundation. You see, when you start, जब आप बहुत बड़ा काम बनाने जाते हैं तो सबसे पहले क्या चाहिए आपको? फाउंडेशन. In the same way, this computational thinking is a foundation of, बहुत सिंपल लैंग्वेज में आप समझा सकते हैं बच्चों को with very very simple examples. So this is the connection between these two, that is the computational thinking and artificial intelligence. Next please. There is no need just to discuss this slide because already you are aware about this computational thinking. And this part also have been discussed, that is decomposition you have to need. Then after that, the pattern recognition is a very important part, very important pillar of this computational thinking. Abstraction is needed. And finally, you just see the algorithm. How many of you can define that what is the meaning of algorithm? It's a very important part of this computational thinking or the AI. So finally, you can just write in this water language and start, collect information, compare the options, and finally select. No, this is the example. अभी हमारे शर्मा जी ने बहुत आपको एग्जाम्पल दिए थे मैथमेटिकल, but that simple example you can just proceed to your students of 3 to 8 level, just to plan a journey for an any time. In this planning of the journey, first, what is the decomposition aspect? अगर आपको जर्नी प्लान करना है वहाँ जाने का, तो डिकम्पोजिशन क्या बताएगा आपको? Basically, note the transport, what the route, how much time is required, what is the budget, the accommodation. All these things means our big challenge is we have to reach the Etawah. So this big challenge we have to break in the manageable parts. That's called it the decomposition. Similarly, a very important thing, recognize the patterns. You compare the several groups, common groups to this data.